This is Dan at Cardboard Hobby. We are cracking 2020 Gold Rush Autograph Mini Helmet Football 3-box break, eBay break. On March 12th, 2020, I'm going to read off eBay usernames with team names. We got Bonnie033 with the Eagles and Seahawks. We got Rick1778 with the Broncos, Patriots, and Saints. We got Mr. Cub Fan with the Cowboys. Laura Claus _0 with the Titans. JDJ0522 with the Chiefs and Packers. EE Yormule-0 with the Bengals, Jaguars, and Buccaneers. Clerk X65 with the Cardinals and Redskins. Shafee _10 with the Steelers and Texans. Mustang Man Cards with the 49ers. J Loudon 1 with the Raiders. 19 Manny 95 with the Jets. Pride 5606 with the Giants. 11 Rings with the Chargers, Vikings, and Colts. Pride 5606 also with the Dolphins and Rams. JOH _3738 with the Lions. Elbeck 6480 with the Browns. JDJ0522 Bears. Will Gracie with the Panthers. Gus Dunn 25 with the Bills. JDJ0522 also with the Ravens. And RFJ 1963 _2008 rocking the Falcons. Okay, that's your full lineup. Got your Moose in the jersey break. Yep. Your Leaf half case 5-box jersey break is going to be coming up at 11. Alright, 2020 Gold Rush Autograph Mini Helmet Football. We got 3 boxes here. 1, 2, and 3. Your first mini helmet coming your way. Good luck, everybody. Maybe. Alright, mini helmet number 1. Ooh, what do we got here? The Dolphins. Wow, that's a sweet looking helmet right there. Dwight Stevenson. Number 57, Hall of Fame 98 inscription for the Dolphins. Autographed mini helmet. JSA certification. And your JSA cert right there. Dolphins strike first. Beautiful. Dwight Stevenson autographed mini helmet for the Dolphins. Pride 5606 rocking the Dolphins. Yeah, that's nice. Good start. Dolphins striking first. And mini helmet number 2 coming your way. What do we got here? We got a Ragib? Oh, Mr. Ismail. Rocket Ismail. Wow. I love that. JSA cert. JSA cert there. I love that Notre Dame Rocket Ismail. That is sweet looking. Alright, so that's gonna, oh boy. What do we got here? Let's see. It's a college that's gonna go to longest tenured team, which 3 years with Carolina and also 3 years with Dallas is the 2 longest. Started with the Raiders, but only 2. I take that back. He was also with the Raiders for 3 years. Yeah, it was Los Angeles Raiders the first 2 years. Then went to Oakland. So 3 years as a Raider, 3 years as a Panther, and 3 years as a Cowboy. So that's going to random.org. Raiders, Panthers, Cowboys are going to all be in on that one. And we'll do that. We'll do that here right after the break. So, yep, Raiders, Panthers, Cowboys. Each team 3 years. So, yeah, we'll random.org that one, guys. That'll be here immediately following the break. So stick around for that. Nice Rocket Ismail, Notre Dame. All right, we still got one helmet left here. And here we we go. Your third and final helmet, guys. Good luck, everybody. And the Giants. Y.A. Tittle. For the Giants Hall of Fame 71 inscription. JSA certification. And JSA cert in the bottom. And their Giants striking last. Real nice Y.A. Tittle. Pride 5606. Rocking the Giants. Beautiful hit for the Giants. So congrats to the Giants here on your Y.A. Tittle, of course. And then we started out with the Dolphins, Dwight Stevenson. I love that Dolphins mini helmet. That's nice looking. And now we have the Rocket Ishmael, which we're going to do your random for to determine the winner of that right now. So just 1 minute here, and we will set that up. That'll be between the Raiders, Panthers, and Cowboys. Raiders owned by J. Loudon 1. Panthers owned by Will Gracie. And then Cowboys owned by Mr. Cub Fan. So alright, there's random.org. And there we go. Raiders, Panthers, Cowboys. We do 5 clicks here at Cardboard Hobby, guys. After the 5th click, whichever team is on top will be the winner. Rocket Ishmael autograph mini helmet, Notre Dame. Here we go. 1, 2, 3 times, 4 times. One more time. Good luck, everybody. That's 5 times. Raiders. Congrats to the Raiders. J. Loudon 1. Congrats. Rocket Ishmael autograph mini helmet, Notre Dame coming your way. Congrats to the Raiders. Congrats to the Raiders. Guys, I want to thank everybody so much for breaking. Really, really appreciate it, guys. It really means a lot. Thank you so much. Of course, we have another break coming up at 11. Your Leaf, half a case. Autographed jersey football. Cardboardhobby.com. Dugan1640 on eBay, guys. I know it's been a crazy couple days out there, so stay safe, please. And, of course, I'll be sticking around in case anybody has any questions, guys. Thank you so much.